What's the meaning of Bush League? Bush League. Bush League.
Bush League. Bush League. The term Bush League is used to describe something that is considered to be of inferior quality or amateurish. It originated from the minor leagues of baseball, which were often played in rural or undeveloped areas. The teams and players who participated in these leagues were seen as less skilled and experienced compared to those in the major leagues. Today, the term is used more broadly to refer to anything that is deemed unprofessional or lacking in quality. When something is described as Bush League, it suggests a lack of seriousness or commitment to excellence, and often results in poor outcomes or mediocre performance.